Hello, everybody, and welcome to this fantastic season of Queenie Talks. And today we are in conversation with one of the beautiful girls all the way from Oman. So I just want you to guess because बहुत ही cute हैं, बहुत ही well spoken हैं, बहुत ही intelligent हैं एंड पूरा वर्ल्ड घूमी हुई है ये जो शख्सियत आज हमारे साथ आने वाली हैं। सो आज तो बनता है कि आप लोग उनके बारे में ज़रा गेस करें, उनका नाम गेस करें और जो हमारा एपिसोड 8 है उसको और थोड़ा मज़ेदार बनाएं। So before I start this wonderful discussion with the beauty of Oman, I'm going to tell you something about Diva Pageants. So Diva Pageant is a veteran beauty pageant company having their corporate office in the city of Pune, that is where I am from. And they do 3 big pageants of India. One is Mrs. India Empress of the Nation, Mrs. Maharashtra Empress of Maharashtra, and the new baby Mrs. West India Empress of West India, which is going to happen very soon once this COVID pandemic is over. Okay, so Yashoda ने guess कर लिया है that the girl who is joining us today is Mrs. Icon World. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही है यशोदा जी, आप हर वीक आती हैं and most of your answers are either very intelligent or correct. तो बहुत सही आप जवाब देती हैं, कम से कम सही नहीं देती हैं तो इंटेलिजेंट जवाब तो होता ही होता है आपका। ये एक बहुत अच्छी बात है एंड उसके साथ साथ हर बार जो मेरे फैंस हैं, जो मेरे फॉलोअर्स हैं, जो हर बार आ जाते हैं, तो आप सबका भी बहुत 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 शुक्रिया। बिकॉज आपके प्यार की वजह से ही, आपके सम्मान की वजह से ही जो क्वीनी टॉक्स है वो इतना आगे बढ़ रहा है, इतना नाम कमा रहा है, इतने लाइक्स मिल रहे हैं, इतने शेयर्स मिल रहे हैं, ये सब सिर्फ आप लोगों की वजह से है। तो थैंक यू सो मच कि आप लोग अपना समय निकाल के, कीमती समय निकाल के आते हैं और हमारी जो ब्यूटी क्वींस हैं, जो अपनी लाइफ जर्नी के बारे में, अपने स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में और उनकी जो जर्नी रही है उसके बारे में डिस्कस करती हैं। आप सब उन लोगों को सुनते हैं, उनको मोटिवेट करते हैं और कहीं ना कहीं उनकी बातों से खुद भी मोटिवेट होते हैं। तो ये बहुत ही एक अच्छी बात है। ओके, सो मैं कुछ बताना चाहूँगी। आज जो हमारी शख्सियत जो हमारे बीच आ रही हैं ये हैं ओमान से और काफ़ी टाइम तक ये एक एयर हॉस्टेस रह चुकी हैं एंड पूरा वर्ल्ड इन्होंने घूमा हुआ है, काम किया हुआ है एज एन एयर हॉस्टेस, जो कि मुझे लगता है एक बहुत ही एक्साइटमेंट से भरा हुआ काम होता है, चैलेंजेस से भरा हुआ काम होता है। तो जो आज हमारी जो शख्सियत है उनका नाम है रीना भावसार एंड जो टाइटल्स इन्होंने अब तक अपने नाम किए हैं वो है मिसेस ब्यूटी विद द पर्पस, मिसेस इंडिया एम्प्रेस ऑफ द नेशन 2019 बैच से हैं ये एंड उसमें इन्होंने ये बहुत ही प्यारा खूबसूरत टाइटल जीता था, मिसेस ब्यूटी विद द पर्पस। एंड इन्होंने स्माइल फाउंडेशन के साथ बहुत काम किया, उनके साथ बहुत मेहनत की एंड करीबन मोर देन 100 गर्ल्स के लिए इन्होंने फंड्स इकट्ठा करे एंड जो एजुकेशन के लिए, पूरी 1 साल की एजुकेशन के लिए उनकी जो गर्ल्स थी स्माइल फाउंडेशन की, उनके लिए यूज़ किए गए। तो बहुत ही अच्छा आप काम कर रही हैं रीना जी, वी ऑल सल्यूट यू। साथ ही साथ इन्होंने इंटरनेशनल टाइटल जीता अंडर द बेस्ट गाइडेंस ऑफ मिसेस अंजुना मैस्केरेनस। इन्होंने मिसेस आइकन वर्ल्ड की ये ग्रैंड विनर रही हैं 2019 की। सो अब हम इन्हें लाइन पे लेंगे एंड इनसे बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे, इनकी जर्नी के बारे में, बहुत सारी इनके पास अपनी यादें हैं, बहुत सारी इनके पास टिप्स हैं, वो सब हम जानेंगे। तो लेट्स कॉल रीना ऑनलाइन विद अस। रीना को रिक्वेस्ट भेज दी है एंड कुछ ही समय में होंगे हमारे साथ ऑल द वे फ्रॉम ओमान रीना भावसार। वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू कनेक्ट हर एंड यस शी इज देयर। हेलो रीना, यू आर लुकिंग अमेजिंग। क्राउन जो आपने पहना है बहुत ही आप माशाल्लाह बहुत प्यारी लग रही है। तो मेरा पहला प्रश्न है आपसे रीना, दैट सारे गर्ल्स हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं एंड वो जानना चाहते हैं आपके बारे में कुछ, तो थोड़ा आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दीजिए हम सभी लोगों को।
Okay. You must be thinking कि this is Reena Bhavsar. How come the face is from Northeast and the surname is from the North? Basically, I'm from Manipur. I'm from Northeast. Beautiful place. And I got married to Gujarati. So I become Reena Bhavsar. At present, I'm just a homemaker. And we used to settle in Bangalore, but at present, I'm in Qatar.
Oh, so
I
you
think
have
you
shifted
said,
to
oh,
Qatar. Okay, that's nice.
yes. So we're living here since my husband is working with Qatar Airways.
Wow. So I think your whole family is belonging to airlines now. आपने भी काफी टाइम फ्लाई
Yes.
किया है इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइंस के साथ. So कुछ अपना अनुभव बताइए कैसे शुरुआत हुई, कैसे आप एक एयर होस्टेस बनी and how was the overall experience?
The experience was very adventurous and achieving of my life because uh, actually my mom wanted me to become a doctor or in the police department. But then I was not so interested in studying a lot. Medical, I'm very bad in that. So I love to do some, practical kind of thing. So I thought cabin crew will be more easier for me. So after my graduation, I kept trying for flying, but then it was not clicking. So I had to go for a Franklin course. Then I did my diploma in air travel management. Then I started working with the American company just to push me up. Then later I shifted to the hotel as a assistant front office. Then it clicked me to join Jet Airways. Finally, I got selected and I was so excited. Then we started the training in Mumbai, but it was not what I expected because I thought that would be my last studying time. But then when I joined, I had to hog like anything, studying like anything. I'm studying even the medical things, first aid, because when you fly, you become a doctor, you become police, you become security, you become everything, the life of the passengers depend on you. So I was
Absolutely.
thinking, I said, oh my God, where am I? I'm studying every time. There is no non-stop of stopping my studying. So I was reading till I resigned from the job. So that's my
So you
journey.
were like one man or a one woman army, I must say. आपको इतना सारा पढ़ाई करवाई जिससे आप जिंदगी भर भागती रही एंड एयर होस्टेस बन के वो सारी जो चीजें थी वो आपको पढ़ना पड़ ही गई मतलब एंड में वॉट एवर योर
Huh.
मदर वांटेड.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and Reena, tell us something about your family because I know that being an air hostess is a very tough job, and उस बीच में जो family होती है उसका साथ होना बहुत जरूरी है. So we would love to know something about your family.
Yes, life is depend with all your families. You share your love, your care. I'm the only child in my family, so it was really, really tough when I got married to my husband because my mom said, "You're not going to stay near me. You're going to stay out of the place, and I cannot see you every time." So when I was my childhood, I didn't spend much time with my mother because I was put in boarding school. So she wanted me to be disciplined and learn everything for life. She struggled a lot. Actually, my dad passed away when I was very young, so she brought me up alone. So she was telling me that you have to learn everything in your life. So when I got married, I have lovely in-laws, my mother-in-law, my father-in-laws, my sister-in-law. They're very broad-minded. So they helped me a lot. I'm sorry. Then it took a long time to become a mother. I came to Qatar, then only I conceived and got my daughter. Um, Before that, after we got married, it looks like, I'm still dating my husband because I keep flying. So I don't meet him most of the time at home. I have to fly means 15 days out for international flights. So I used to see him very rare, and sometimes he goes for training. Once we happened to meet in Hyderabad. He was doing his training in Hyderabad. I went for my flight, and we have a night hold. So we communicate, and we went and met somewhere. My mother-in-law called me and she saying, "How was your dating?" I said it was good. And then he dropped me back in the hotel. It's like, you're still boyfriend and girlfriend. We have a nice time, but
But I think it is a bliss because after so many years of being married, blissfully married, you can still go out on a date on an international destination other than your country of living. So I think it has a positive side
yes,
also. Definitely.
yes, yes, yes. Everything has a positive and a negative. So you can always try to be happy with what you have.
Definitely. And from being an air hostess and living in Qatar, what made you join a pageant?
Actually, I always had a dream to participate in fashion show, but then I was brought up in such a way like a tomboy, so I never dressed like a girl. I started wearing a woman kind of dress after I joined Jet Airways, and I started doing some makeups and stuff. So I always wanted to, but then I thought, okay, fine. I'm not in. I don't fit in those things. But then after, and especially before marriage, it's very difficult to convince my family that I would like to go for a pageant. They're very conservative and very strict. My mom is like a jeweler master. She always says, no, you have to be this, you have to do this, you have to be very particular, to live in the society. So I said, okay, fine. So I gave up. Then finally, after I got married, I think you must be knowing Anshuli Ban. She
Actually,
also
yes.
had, yes, yes. After I saw her, very interesting. And my husband he is very particular about health conscious. So he said, no, you have to start working out, though you have a baby, you need to maintain yourself. So I said, okay, fine. To maintain, I need to put something, in front of me that, okay, fine, I have to work out so that I can achieve that. Then I said, okay, fine, then can I apply for this pageant? He said, yes, why not? So I applied, and I know that Diva pageant is a safe place where you can go forward and try. So I tried, and then I got through.
Yes, and I guess आपने बहुत ही सही डिसीजन लिया, बहुत सही टाइम पे डिसीजन लिया, which is going to definitely help you out and आपके आगे बढ़ने में, आपको और सफल बनाने में एक दीवा पैजेंट्स का भी हाथ रहा, साथ में आपकी मेहनत भी रही एंड आपकी जो जर्नी थी उसके बारे में भी हमें कुछ बताइए, कैसे फ्रेंड्स आपने बनाए, कुछ मेमोरीज, कुछ क्यूट सी बातें, कुछ रूमर्स, कुछ गॉसिप.
Actually, it was a lovely journey that I had, and Anjana ma'am is so loving, so kind. I always tell Anjana ma'am that she turned me into a princess, a queen, where she holds a wand, and then she said, "Okay, fine, now you're going to be a Cinderella," kind of thing. So I really love her, and she is my second mother. I love you, ma'am. And when I landed into Pune, I was so surprised to see that a lot of talented ladies were there, and they're all loving. I didn't find that, okay, fine, I'm going to look her down because she is from Northeast. It wasn't like that. I felt like, all of them are pouring love to me. That's so proud of myself that I have made a lot of friends there. And I didn't have much time to, negative rumor. It was all loving rumors. That's very interesting there.
ओके एंड आपने पूना घूमा, आप आई थी. ऑल द वे फ्रॉम कतार, तो कुछ
Uh,
मौका मिला आपने कहीं जाने के लिए या कुछ
uh,
महाराष्ट्र
mm,
ट्राई करने के लिए?
no, in that pageant time, I didn't have much time, but I just met my relatives over there, and I already had visited Pune when I was flying. So I have seen Lonavala and around the city of Pune, and it's lovely place.
यस, डेफिनेटली। एंड पूना की जो बात है वो आपको तो हमेशा याद रहेगी, बिकॉज यू वन अ मेजर टाइटल हियर। सो ब्यूटी विद अ पर्पस का जो टाइटल था, उसके लिए आपने क्या मेहनत करी, कितनी मेहनत करी? एंड जब आपको पता चला कि अराउंड 100, मोर देन 100 ऑफ गर्ल्स आर गोइंग टू गेट बेनिफिटेड फ्रॉम द डोनेशंस दैट यू वर एबल टू गेट, तो आपको कैसा फील आया?
I felt very, very, very overjoyed because I always wanted to help a person who is in need. And I always had a dream to open up my own school or something, like a old age house so that, the children can come and stay or the old people can live with me. But I couldn't do that because since I'm traveling around, so whenever a friend is opening up such things, I go and help them. I love helping them. So I was trying my best so that I can help the underprivileged children. Even we used to have in Jet Airways the collections on the flight to help the underprivileged children. So I was looking forward to some people who can help them. So that's how I approached them. I tried my really best so that I can support them.
वाओ, तो आपने बहुत अपना जो वक्त था, जो डेडिकेशन था, वो लगाया। तो थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने इतना प्यारा, इतना ब्यूटीफुल टाइटल जीता, विच इज डेफिनेटली आपका जो डोनेशन है वो पूरे 1 साल के लिए वो गर्ल्स को हेल्प कर रहा है, उनकी एजुकेशन की जो ड्रीम है उसको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए। Alright, so I would now like to know about Anjana and Carl. How's your relationship with them, and what are the things that you would like to tell me about your journey with them?
Uh, I have very close relation with Anjana ma'am. Carl sir is very busy with other ladies, so I didn't disturb them. But I keep looking at him from far. Nowadays, he have contact with my husband as well, so we keep talking sometime. Anjana ma'am was very, very sweet and helpful, like supporting as a physical as well as the what you call as emotional. Before my patient, my daughter was not well. She admitted in the ICU for dengue. I was thinking of dropping out the pageant because it was just before 2 or 3 days. So I was texting ma'am कि my daughter is in the hospital. She was suffering from dengue. But then ma'am was supporting, every now and then she keep asking how is Gia, she is fine. Then I keep pushing my doctor, please do something aggressively so that she becomes all right, and then I can come and participate in the pageant journey. And after that as well, we keep chatting with ma'am. Sometimes she calls me. I keep looking at her every time. Anything I need, I just call her for any support. And I was so happy. Everywhere she is there for me.
Yes, and I think Jia काफी बीमार थी जब वो फिनाले में भी आई थी, but she was there with you throughout.
Yes, yes, yes. My husband was taking care of her.
Yes, so बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस रखता है एक सपोर्टिंग फैमिली, एक सपोर्टिंग मेंटोर मिलना। एंड जिनको मिल जाता है उनकी जर्नी आपकी तरह एकदम लाजवाब हो जाती है। इन जस्ट 1 year you grab 2 titles and 1 international title as well. So I can
Yes.
see the trophy आपने पीछे रखी हुई है. So can you
Oh,
please
yes,
show
yes.
the trophy to us, everybody? I think इनको बहुत ही एक खूबसूरत ट्रॉफी मिली थी, विनिंग ट्रॉफी इनकी.
Yes.
So let's all see that. So this is the trophy that she grabbed along with the crown at Icon Mrs. World. Okay. So again, we would like to say congratulations to you, Reena,
Thank
that
you so
आपने
much.
ये बहुत ही प्यारा इंटरनेशनल टाइटल जीता एंड आप इसको इंडिया लेकर आई एंड कतार भी लेके गई. तो आई थिंक इवन कतार के जो लोग हैं वो भी बहुत ज्यादा हैप्पी होंगे दैट इंडिया एंड कतार बोथ द
Yes,
कंट्रीज आर
yes.
शेयरिंग दिस
And
वंडरफुल
this is
क्राउन
the
एंड द
crown.
वंडरफul टाइटल एंड द वंडरफुल
Yeah,
ट्रॉफी. ओके.
yes.
सो काल सर भी देख रहे हैं आपका जो लाइव है. तो काल सर, आप प्लीज रीना को थोड़ा टाइम दीजिए, उनसे बात करिए. अंजना मैम से तो बात होती रहती है, तो मैंने आपका मैसेज दे दिया है काल को. ओके.
Okay,
सो
thank you.
नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू नो दैट what made you go for an international pageant after you did Mrs. India?
Actually, I didn't want to finish in one place. So I felt like, trying something which I can go forward and see how the thing goes around. So I asked ma'am where I can go. So she keeps suggesting, you can go here. Um, she gave me a plan of going to Thailand or Philippines and even Sri Lanka, I think we had. So, but then what happened is I cannot travel all alone because I have Gia. So I had to travel with somebody. And I cannot take my husband all around again as he is working. So I was looking
Yeah.
for an option that would be my mother. And for my mother to travel out of the country, it's very, I mean, it's not so easy. We have to apply for visa and everything. So I said it would be nice if there is an contest for international in India itself. So I chose the Icon, Mrs. Icon World, which happened in Mumbai. So I went for that. Ma'am said, yeah, it's good. We can try it.
Yeah, and it was in the city of Mumbai, and आपने जीत लिया ये बहुत ही beautiful crown, and I guess you
Yes,
are the first Indian to win it, right?
yes, yes, yes.
So Reena is the first Indian to win this coveted title, the international title, with the beautiful trophy out there. Okay, and now I would like to know something about your hobbies. आपके hobbies क्या क्या है?
I have lots of hobbies. Like, I like cooking. I like traveling a lot. That's how I became air hostess. I mean, I love to see all the places in the world, so I choose that. And I love crocheting. You know how we crochet with
Yeah.
one pin. Um, because Gia inspired me to do that. When she was born, it was in winter, so I started making all the winter clothes with that.
And even I have seen the beautiful purses and the socks and all जो आप बनाती हैं and आप अपने
Yes,
Facebook
yes.
पे
And I
pictures
think I
डालती
have my one doll
हैं. I think
here.
अंजना के पास भी काफी सारा आपका कलेक्शन हो गया है क्रोशे का. Can you see me?
Yes, 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 I can.
So I think the connection में थोड़ा हैंकी पैंकी हर वीक हो ही जाता है.
Huh.
So
It
now
happens.
एकदम perfect हो गया है connection. I can okay. Anjana is writing कि she has a I think huge gift collection from you for crochet things. Okay. So बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. आप अब नेक्स्ट टाइम आए तो आपकी बैच की जो बाकी लड़कियां थी उनके लिए भी लेकर आइए और हमारे लिए भी लेकर आइए
जरूर,
जिससे हम भी
जरूर.
प्यारी
Sure.
प्यारी बातें आपके लिए कर सकें. ठीक है. ओके.
Definitely.
सो आपने मुझे बताया कि आपको बहुत 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 सारी चीजें जो है उनको हॉबीज करने का शौक है, नई चीजें करने का शौक है, बट चाइल्डहुड में क्या करा करती थी आप?
Childhood. I think it got disconnected. Can you repeat?
I want to ask you, what are the memories from the childhood?
Ah, yes. Childhood, most of the time I spent in boarding school. So I will tell you how the life was there. It was quite far away from the city of Impal, which is in Manipur. It's an hill area. It's a lovely place, but then, when the child stays there without the parents, then you feel very lonely. But still, you have lots of friends around. They treat you like a family, and the founder of the school is so loving. They behave like your parents. And I still remember, we always pray that the water doesn't come in our school so that we can go out of the campus and take water from the river and you can just go roam around. We always plan for that, okay? And we waited for every second Saturday of the month so that our parents comes and meet and we have a party night. We used to have movie shows, then we have dramas, we have singing. It was lovely. We enjoyed a lot, and we still have a contact with our friends. And there it's very strict. We cannot eat chilies. You know how we used to hide chili and then eat while eating food. I still remember we used to wear a cap. Inside that, we used to hide a chili so that nobody finds out. We used to hide and eat, okay? It was crazy. I really love it. I still have a dream of my school days. That was
बिल्कुल
very
एंड
nice.
जो स्कूल की जो मेमोरीज होती हैं वो ऐसे हर वक्त आपके दिमाग में, आपके जहन में चलती रहती हैं, वापस आती रहती हैं। एंड आपकी तो बड़ी जबरदस्त चिली वाली मेमोरीज है, तो डेफिनेटली रॉकिंग है एकदम। ओके, सो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, पैजेंट करने के बाद आपकी लाइफ में क्या चेंजेस आए?
There are lots of changes. Your friends circle, how they treat you. Then after that, I feel like I need to keep maintaining myself. Just don't go back to the old arena. So that was very nice, and I'm just looking for something which I can go forward and do it. Um, so I'm just waiting for the lockdown to open up and then see what I can grab on my way. So this is one nice one, because every time I meet a new friend, they keep asking, "Okay, fine, you went for this pageant. What should I do? Shall I also try? How to go about?" So I keep telling that Diva pageant is a lovely platform where you can go forwards and you don't have to get scared. They will treat you badly. There are some pageants. I heard from people saying that they're not safe over there. So I said, no, Diva pageant, you can close your eyes and do, because I have been there and they're so loving. You can enjoy your life and you can change everything.
Yes, and I and you are connected on Facebook. I have seen, I think there were so many newspaper that covered you in the Northeast, and a lot of I think channels in Qatar also covered you. So how you felt after winning the title?
It was so overwhelming because after they came to know that I went for Mrs. India Empress of the Nation and I received a titles. So they said, why don't you come and be participate in the fashion show? Like in Qatar, we had a cultural fashion show, which the embassy had done it. So they wanted to show to them that India has lots of culture. Different states has their own dresses. So I was invited to be a part of Manipur. So I wore my own cultural dress and then went. Yes, I did my fashion show. Then in Manipur, there was one of my what you call senior. He came to know that okay, fine, you won this title, so why don't you come and we will be inviting you as a special guest on the TV. So there was a channel, so they invited me and asked how I attended and how was my journey. It was lovely. So I really like it. First time on TV. So everyone was excited to see my friends, my families. Then even I had been to a underprivileged, child home, just to show them कि they are not alone. They can be loved by anyone. So I just help them with the money that I receive from the Smile Foundation when I help. So I just gave them some gifts and encouraged them that there is nothing that you are alone. So everyone has can try their level best to become something in life. So there was very loving experience that I had. And there was a studio, the new coming up in Manipur. So he invited me that he wanted to do a photo shoots and some interview. And I was so surprised, He said that you don't have to pay because I wanted to sponsor for you. So I said, okay, fine, why not? It's good for my future as well. So I went and enjoyed my life. It was very nice.
Yes, and I'm sure in future also you will get beautiful opportunities क्योंकि आपने इतना खूबसूरत टाइटल ब्यूटी विद अ पर्पस का जीता and फिर इंटरनेशनल विनर भी आप बनी. बट ये सारी जो चीजें हैं जो इतनी कम टाइम लाइन में आपने जो अपने आप को इतना ज्यादा ऊपर आप लेके गई, आपकी फैमिली का क्या रिएक्शन था?
My family, they were very happy, and more than me, they believe in me. I don't know why. They say you can do it. Why not? So go ahead. And I was so happy. My in-laws never hesitate to, you cannot go for this pageants or anything. They never say anything. They always love me to do something in life. They don't want me, I mean, sit in the house because आप बहू बन गई है घर पे बैठे रहे ऐसे कुछ बोला नहीं अब तक. So it was very nice. They were so happy and excited.
यस एंड आपकी जो मॉम थी बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट हुआ करती थी बचपन में जैसे आपने मुझे बताया, बट एक बार आप जो ब्यूटी क्वीन का टाइटल मिला फिर उन्हें कैसे लगा?
She actually, when I said I'm going for a pageant, she said, "Why? Why you're going? You're married." I said, "When my mother-in-law and my husband doesn't have problem, why you having problem?" She's saying, you have a daughter also to take care. No, I said my husband will take care. Hey, Bhagwan, she said that. Okay, and then
She was like,
after
ये लड़की तो मेरे हाथ से निकल गई है.
she said, that's why you wanted to get married out of our caste. She said that also. I just see, जिंदगी एक ही बार जीते हैं, so you need to live like that. Okay, you cannot just wait for tomorrow. So I said, fine, I'm going to go ahead and do it. So, but then she was so happy when I received the titles, and she collects all the newspapers when the newspaper comes in Manipur. She said, actually, my mom never take newspaper. She doesn't have much time to read, but still, when it says that my news has come, so she went and brought the newspaper and she cut and kept for me. So sweet, she has done that.
यस एंड आई थिंक आंटी अब खुद ही एक सेलिब्रिटी बन गई होंगी बिकॉज सेलिब्रिटी की मम्मा जो है, तो आई थिंक मणिपुर के आपके सारे नेबर्स एंड सारे आपके फैमिली फ्रेंड्स वगैरह सब आप बोलते होंगे ओह सो यू नाउ यू आर रीना भावसा's मदर, तो बड़ी खुश हो जाती होंगी
Yes,
फिर.
yes, बहुत खुश हैं. And you know how our parents are, small, small things, what their kids have done, they're so happy. So she is very proud.
बिल्कुल. ओके सो अब हमारा जो क्वेश्चंस वाला जो सेगमेंट है वो ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो चुका है एंड हम बढ़ रहे हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट राउंड की तरफ जो कि है रैपिड फायर. सो आप तैयार हैं मुझे कुछ धमाकेदार आंसर्स देने के लिए?
I hope so.
ओके, एंड इन द मीनवाइल रीना आज हमारे साथ हैं, एंड उनके लिए आप गर्ल्स कोई भी क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहती हैं तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शंस में भेज दीजिए अपने क्वेश्चंस, एंड हमारा जैसे ही रैपिड फायर राउंड खत्म होगा हम आप लोग के क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देंगे, रीना आपकी क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देंगी और मैं बीच बीच में अपनी एंकरिंग करती रहूंगी थोड़ी बहुत। ओके, सो what I'm going to do now, I'm going to throw my first question at you. So my first question is, what makes you happy and what makes you sad?
I don't look for a big things to be happy. I try my best to be happy always. See, you are the person who responsible for your happiness. You cannot depend on persons. Okay, he should do something so that I should be happy for that. Because if you keep believing in that, when you don't respond from them, you feel sad. So it's better you do yourself whatever to make yourself happy. So that's what I believe in myself. Sadness, yes, as a human being, since there isn't happiness, sadness is also always there. But that's a very short period it can be. So you can always come up. That's how hope is created by God. So believe in that and then always be happy.
Yes, and I think चाहे सैडनेस आए चाहे खुशी आए, लेकिन हमें अपने अंदर खुशी को बरकरार रखना चाहिए, एंड वही एक दृष्टिकोण हमको देता है आगे लाइफ में बढ़ने के लिए, पॉजिटिव रहने के लिए, एंड अपनी सफलता को और एकदम चरम सीमा पे पहुंचाने के लिए। जी बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने। ओके, सो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू, व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट कोट?
My favorite quote is you are allowed to scream, you are allowed to cry, but do not give up in your life. Whatever you're doing, do not give up. Okay. Um, to make your journey till the end, you have to keep trying. So I scream sometime, I cry, but then I never give up in my life. So this is what I believe in.
यस, बहुत ही अच्छा आपने हमें कोड दिया, तो सारी गर्ल्स आप इसको नोट डाउन कर लीजिए, आगे आपको यूज कर सकते हैं। आप जब स्टेज पे आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा तो बड़ा अच्छा सा आपने कोड दिया। एक बार वापस से दोहरा दीजिए रीना, सो हमारी सारी गर्ल्स अपना पेन पेपर लेके उसको नोट डाउन कर सके।
Yes, you are allowed to scream, you are allowed to cry, but never give up in life.
यस 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 यस, बहुत ही सही और बहुत ही एक प्यारा सा कोट आपने दिया है, एंड सब लोगों को आपने जो बोला इसके बारे में जरूर सोचना चाहिए। ओके, सो ये ना सारी जो हमारी क्वींस होती हैं सबका फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है जो मैं पूछती हूँ। सो अदर देन योर हस्बैंड, आपको अगर डेट पे जाने का मौका मिलता है, और क्योंकि आप इतने इंटरनेशनल डेस्टिनेशन आप घूम चुकी हैं, तो मैं थोड़े ना आपको इंटरनेशनल एक्टर्स का ऑप्शन दे देती हूँ, ठीक है? तो अगर आपको रॉबर्ट पैटिसन को डेट पे ले जाने का मौका मिलता है, ठीक है, एंड उसके साथ मैं आपको एक जॉर्ज क्लूनी भी दे देती हूँ, थोड़े बड़े हैं उम्र में बट कोई बात नहीं, हैंडसम तो है ही है, एंड उसके अलावा अगर आप बेन एफ्लेक को भी ले जा सके तो इन तीनों में से आप किसके साथ डेट पे जाना चाहिए?
Robert. Robert Pattinson, I will go with that. Yes, because I fell in love when I watched that Twilight. Oh my God, crazy. So I'm ready for him.
Yes, and फिर आपने सोचा कि काश मुझे भी कोई वेम्पायर कहीं से आए और काट ले और मैं चली जाऊं अपने प्यारे रॉबर्ट के पास।
You won't believe, when I read the book of Twilight, and then I watched the movie, and I was so into it. I felt like I don't mind if the vampire comes. I'm ready to go out.
हाँ, एंड आई थिंक बहुत सारी जो गर्ल्स देख रही हैं उनको वो अपनी ट्वाइलाइट मोमेंट्स याद आ गए, वो जो ऐसे रॉबर्ट पैटिसन को देख देख के जो सबकी नींदें खराब हुई थी, आई थिंक कुछ 10 years पहले की बात है जो हम ये कर रहे हैं, जब ट्वाइलाइट के
हाँ,
सीरीज आ रहे
yes,
थे।
yes,
एंड
yes.
सारी लड़कियां रॉबर्ट पैटिसन के प्यार में एकदम पागल हो चुकी थी, एंड सब अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स एंड हस्बैंड्स को डिवोर्स एंड तलाक एंड ब्रेकअप सब करने को तैयार कि बस रॉबर्ट पैटिसन मिल जाए। तो बिल्कुल सही, आपने एकदम सही चुन के इंसान को डेट पे ले जाने की बात कही है। एंड बहुत सारी गर्ल्स जो है वो आहें भर रही हैं, और अब उनसे बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा कि मेरा रॉबर्ट तो गया। ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं,
मैं ले
आप
लूंगी.
आप ले जाइए, एंजॉय करिए हमारे रॉबर्ट पैटिसन के साथ। और इसी के साथ हमारा ये क्यूट प्यारा सा जो रैपिड फायर का जो राउंड है वो खत्म होता है। एंड आई कैन सी आपके लिए क्वेश्चंस भाई आना चालू हो गए हैं। एंड फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जयश्री का है। शी इज सेइंग दैट कतार इज माय फेवरेट प्लेस। I was there in Qatar for 4 years. Just want to ask Reena, do you like Qatar?
I love it. I love Qatar. It's I don't know. It's very disciplined place, and I always wanted to live a place where women are safe. Whether you go out in the midnight or whether you go out with your child alone without your husband, I'm so happy in this place. I had one experience where I went out with my friend. I sat in the beach around 3:30 in the midnight, and nobody comes and harms you, you know. Nobody comes and tease you. You're safe over there. So I'm really happy about this. I really love Qatar. I enjoyed, and I'm going to enjoy, continue my enjoying here.
यस, तो आपको तो कतार जो है वो बहुत ही पसंद है। एंड सबसे ज्यादा एक जो आपने बात बोली, सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी कहीं पे भी रहने के लिए बहुत एक मुख्य कारण होता है। एंड जैसे कि आपने बताया, तो आई थिंक बहुत सारी जो गर्ल्स हैं आप सोचेंगी कतार में जॉब ढूंढने का, खासतौर पे एयर होस्टेस का जॉब ढूंढने का, बिकॉज आपने बड़ा एंजॉय किया है जब आप एयर होस्टेस थी। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट
Yes.
क्वेश्चन क्या है? यशोदा इज आस्किंग यू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एंड शी इज आस्किंग which is the best international destination to go on date after pandemic. I want to take my husband there.
Uh, People always says Paris is also very lovely place. But recently, I not recently, but before the lockdown, I've been to Turkey, and it's lovely place because when you are dating, it doesn't. I don't enjoy driving or riding. So I love hanging out, walking, holding hands. The lovely place, Turkey, and even you can go to Cappadocia because there is a hot balloon ride, which I didn't get a chance to do because of the weather. But I love it. I love to see those hot balloons are flying around. So you can try that. It's very romantic place.
Okay, so यशोदा जी, नेक्स्ट टाइम whenever you want to go anywhere, आप टर्की के टिकट्स अभी से बुक करवाइए, अभी सस्ते भी मिलेंगे। एंड जैसे ही पैंडेमिक खत्म होता है, अपने हस्बैंड को लेके उड़ जाइए टर्की। एंड रीना को आप फॉलो कर लीजिए, एंड उनसे सारे टिप्स और कहाँ पे खाना है, कौन सा बलून राइड करनी है, हाथों में हाथ डाल के कौन से स्ट्रीट पे घूम सकते हैं, सब आपको ये बता देंगे।
Yes, yes. And Turkey, their foods are very, very natural and very healthy also. It's very nice food they have.
यस यस यस, बिल्कुल। एंड मैंने भी सुना है, एक तो वो आइसक्रीम जो ऐसे 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 घुमा के
Oh
खिलाते
ma,
हैं,
you
तो
won't believe I
इंसान का
keep
दिमाग तो
having that
भूल
ice
जाता
cream.
है, बट आई थिंक बहुत मजा भी आता है साथ में।
Yes.
ओके, सो निधिका शर्मा इज आस्किंग यू कि आपका फिनाले क्वेश्चन क्या था?
Finale question was the about the half cup filled water. That was my question. So I said ki, the empty space you can always utilize for the better. So you cannot keep thinking, oh, the glass is half empty. So you should think that, oh, that is the half empty. You can do something better. So you can fill it up. with a positive or anything good. So that was my questions.
यस एंड बहुत आपने अच्छा जवाब दिया, इंटेलिजेंट जवाब दिया, क्योंकि आप इतनी सारी चीजों में आप काम कर चुकी हैं, इतने डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेक्टर्स में आप काम कर चुकी हैं। आप एक एयर हॉस्टेस रही हैं, आपने पूरा वर्ल्ड देखा है, और इमरजेंसीज हो चाहे पुलिसिंग करनी हो, सारी चीजें आप कर चुकी हैं, तो बहुत 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 एक्सपीरियंस है लाइफ का। सो आई थिंक जितने क्वेश्चंस मैं देख सकती थी गर्ल्स, मैंने उतने क्वेश्चंस ले लिए हैं, बट अगर किसी का क्वेश्चन आई वाज नॉट एबल टू सी, तो आप एक बार प्लीज उसको वापस से पुट इन कर दीजिए। अभी हमारे पास थोड़ा टाइम है, वी कैन टेक सम मोर क्वेश्चंस। ओके, यशोदा इज आस्किंग यू वन क्वेश्चन, फ्रॉम प्लेन टू स्टेज, व्हाट वाज योर बिगेस्ट मोटिवेशन?
Sorry.
From an airplane to stage, what was your biggest motivation? Like your journey from being an air hostess to being a pageant girl, what was your motivation factor?
The motivation was, see, in Jet Airways, you're just, in a small plane, you're going to meet just few people again and again, different places. But in the stage, I have never been, a spokesperson in front of anyone, everybody. I'm really scared to go on stage and speak. But then when I come to this pageant, the confidence is built up. How you speak in front of audience, how you present yourself, how you groom yourself. The grooming is totally different from the flying crew and the pageants. So yeah, that was the motivation. Is like, my husband is saying, okay, fine, you're just done with Jet Airways, you're at home. I don't stop there. I wanted to do something, what I have never done in my life. So that was the motivation that I have to do something in my life.
Yes, and जो आप चाहती थी, जो अचीव करना चाहती थी, उसे आपने अचीव किया, एंड बहुत ही स्टाइल में अचीव किया। सो आपके लिए मैं सारी गर्ल्स की तरफ से एक बार तालियां बजा देती हूँ कि आपने इतनी बेहतरीन आपकी जो जर्नी थी, इतने प्यार से और इतने जो बोलते हैं ना, आपका एक वर्ड होता है, बहुत ही दिलकश अदा से, बहुत नजाकत के साथ तय की, बिकॉज आप बहुत प्यार से आराम आराम से एकदम बोलती हैं, तो बहुत ही नजाकत भरी आपकी ये जो जर्नी रही। वाह, क्या लाजवाब जर्नी रही। एंड सारे गर्ल्स भी आपको किसीज और हार्ट्स और तालियां और तालियां आती जा रही हैं। तो मैं आपको कुछ गर्ल्स के नाम बता देती हूँ। So Yashoda ji carry and that you are very genuine and inspiring. Trupti is giving you claps. Ruchita is giving you hearts. Swati is saying hi. And Varsha is saying hi. Renu Khanna is saying hi. So बहुत सारी जो गर्ल्स हैं आपके एकदम फैन हो चुके हैं। आपने अपने प्यारे प्यारे जवाबों से उनको लाजवाब कर दिया है। And before we say a goodbye to you, I would like to know from you कि आपको क्वीनी टॉक्स एपिसोड 8 में आके एंड हमसे इतना प्यारा सा कन्वर्सेशन करके कैसा लगा?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। Actually, I was very nervous because I have never done all these things and I'm always scared, जैसे कि आप बहुत अच्छी हिंदी बोलते हैं और मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता। I don't know how to speak much of Hindi and I was so nervous कि what kind of questions is gonna come, and then I'm going to be blank. But then it was very interesting, and as during our pageant, I always felt okay. Farah ma'am is very strict, you come and then you sometimes गाली दे देती है जब हम लोग गलत करते हैं. We were not like a woman over there. We were like a kids. How Pooja ma'am treated us. It was very funny. So I was thinking, oh my God, I'm going to speak with Farah today. But it was really nice. I enjoyed a lot. It's really nice. Something new, different.
Yes, बिल्कुल। एंड बट मुझे जहां तक याद है आपकी पैजेंट जर्नी में आप तो फ्लॉलेस थी, आपने कोई गलती की नहीं, तो मुझसे गाली खाने वाली आपकी कोई बात ही नहीं थी।
बट आई एम श्योर
नहीं
मैंने किसी इधर उधर कोने में घुसी हुई
मुझे
लड़कियों को डांटा
हाँ
होगा, तो आपको
मुझे नहीं डांटा,
डर।
किसी किसी को डांटा था। मैंने बोला अच्छा ऐसे ही है you know, but still it was very nice.
Okay. And thank you so much for joining us today. We had a lovely time
Thank
chatting with
you.
you. And जो भी लोग हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं अभी, मैं उनको एक बार वापस बता देती हूँ that we had this wonderful, fabulous conversation with Reena Bhausar, who is staying in Qatar, and she was an air hostess, and she won the title of Mrs. India Beauty with a Purpose. And then she went on and won an international pageant, and she's the first Indian to win that international pageant. सो थैंक यू सो मच रीना कि आप आई और आपने हमें बहुत अपनी प्यारी और मासूम बातों के जरिए बताया कि क्वीन की जर्नी कैसी होती है और कैसा होनी चाहिए। तो थैंक यू सो मच। एंड इसी के साथ दिस इज फरहा अनवर
Thank
साइनिंग
you.
ऑफ, एंड माय kisses to you, and stay the way you are, and we will meet very soon with another exciting episode, episode number 9 on Queenie Talks. Till then, ta-ta.
Ta-ta.